In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Zoho Books using different methods. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, having a youth login process is essential for effectively managing your financial records. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books homepage. Once you've reached the site, you'll need to locate the Sign In button. Typically, you'll find it situated in the top right-hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the sign-in page. Now that you're on the sign-in page, it's time to enter your credentials. The site will prompt you to input either your registered email address or your mobile number, so please make sure to use the details associated with your Zoho Books account. Accuracy is key here to ensure you're accessing the right account. Following that, you'll need to enter your account password. Remember, your password is case-sensitive, so double-check to avoid any typos that could prevent you from signing in. After entering your email and password, go ahead and click the Sign In button. If you've entered everything correctly, clicking this will direct you right into your Zoho Books account, where you can start your work without any hassle. However, if you prefer an alternative sign-in method, or in case you've signed up using a different type of account, Zoho Books offers several flexible options. For instance, if you registered with a Google, Apple, or any other supported account, simply look for and click on the corresponding button on the sign-in page. This feature allows for a seamless login experience using your existing credentials from these platforms, saving you the time of entering additional login details. Now, if you have Zoho OneAuth enabled as part of your account security, there's another convenient option available to you. With Smart Sign-In, you don't even need a password to access your Zoho Books account. Simply open the OneAuth app on your mobile device, tap on Smart Sign-In, and then scan the QR code displayed on the sign-in page. It's a quick and easy way to log in securely, especially if you're someone who appreciates both convenience and enhanced security. And there you have it. Whether you are using your standard Zoho Books credentials or opting for alternatives like Google or OneAuth, these steps will ensure that you can smoothly access your account. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.